Di mo pwede magsamukan. Uy! Wala talaga ako sa speak dito. Flying to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. And all the words hold my hand, and all the words don't kiss me. Feel my heart beat song, let me sing forevermore. You will roll out all my worship in a door. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Yeah! I cannot leave this. Fly to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. And all the words hold my hand, and all the words darling kiss me. Fill the hobbit song, let me sing forevermore. You were all I love, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Mali. In other words, I love you. Di mo pwede magsamukan pa.
Game na pala. Hi, B, time check. Time check, it's 8 o'clock exacto. So sabi ko nga kung iinom ako, mag-iisang bucket ako talaga. So I have here one bucket of RH in can. Yes, and I have here my isaw, I have here my tenga, dalawa lang. Ang konti lang to sa isang bulaklak kasi hindi ko nauubos. So sabi ko mag-lipstick ako kanyang red para bet na bet ka talaga. Yung mga ganito lang, na cool, chill night. And, table for dinner is now open for chill night Monday. Uy, may ganun pa. Ayun, so it's my off. And, natutuwa pala ako kanina, tumitingin ako sa kalendaryo. Natutuwa ako kasi Monday is June 30. That's Mom's birthday. Birthday ni Mariel. So sabi ko, yung perfect naman. Perfect naman, birthday niya, mag-video call kami. Uy! Tapos yun, tapos sabi ko, ang perfect, maganda to. Sarap. Sabi ko, ang ganda, perfect. And then, ayun. The vibe is so good. Diba? Nakikita ko na ang aking pulutan because of this ilaw. Yung ilaw sa taas. Tapos, ayun, and ano ba yan? Ayun. Tapos, di ba? Ano ba, ang perfect talaga nito. And ayun na nga, so dito muna ako ayusin siguro mga 3 songs. Ganyan. Did may isaw? Ngayon, nandito muna ako nag-table for wala akong makulanta kasi namin nasa ako today. Ang sabay pala, 2 days ako nag-taxi. So, the Saturday, nalito ako ng gising. Sabi ko, magtataxi ba ako o magbabaon ako? At magbaon na lang ako kasi natataranta ako, mag-prepare naman, tapos maligo ako, tapos natataranta ako papuntang office. Yung paano mag-shuttle ako o mag-taxi ako kasi pag shuttle ako, magmamadali ako. Mag-taxi ako, relax lang, chill, ganyan. Kasi ayun, naiwanan ako ng shuttle, yung shuttle namin 2 minutes na advance. Tagang gawin, gusto mong kawayan si Kuya, Kuya, dito na ako, advance ka, ganyan. So dito muna ako, again, little 14 days ang open. Work is good, may bago akong crush. No? So dito muna ako. I so love it. I have red rose and my red nails and my this is my parang magenta to eh. And my red lipstick. Red. Ito muna ako and table fitness na open again.